And we're back. This time I'm going to show you a text effect in Adobe Photoshop using the text to shape, conversion and texture. Let us start with this white background and the horizontal type tool. I click on the background and I type in form. You can type in any text you like. Let me create a second text layer with the same tool and the same method, and I'll reposition that using the move tool. I select both, I simply hold Ctrl and click on both layers and then reposition them. This font that I'm using, Chilla, it's an inbuilt font in Adobe Photoshop currently, so you should have that as well. So let us address the first text layer, which is the form. Right click, convert to shape, and I change the style for the second text layer, which is the shape. I'll simply make that a full bold style. And now if I convert it, I get this one message. So you'll need to have your full styles deactivated to convert your text into a shape. Alright, we've got both converted into shape. Let me use a different color, maybe this one, for the shape. And I press Alt Backspace to color it. Now I want to get rid of these parts of the A letter. I use the direct selection tool for that. I could select all of them individually, but it makes more sense. You simply click on one, then hold Alt and click again, and you've got the whole shape selected, and then just delete it. Let's do that on the R letter, on the other layer. Once more I hold Alt, left click, and then delete it. Let us add a texture now to this text. You will find that in the description below. It's free to use from Pixabay. I'll press Ctrl T and resize it holding Alt. Then I press Enter. So now we can play around with the blending modes. Color burn, for example, would work, but another method is to select both text layers first. Hold Ctrl to do so, and then press Ctrl G to group them. And now we right click on the texture and give it a clipping mask. And if we now apply the blending modes, they will only be applied to our text and not the background. Let me zoom in and you can see what happens. So it gives the letters a more realistic style. And this is how you can recreate such a simple text effect using convert to shape and textures. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.